How to unarchive Instagram story before 24 hours. So if you want to unarchive Instagram story before 24 hours, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, you just need to simply go with the bottom middle, which has that profile icon. Tap on your profile and then go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And here you need to go with the archive section. From the archive, you need to go with the top and make sure that you've selected stories archive. Tap on stories archive and you'll have your stories archive, right? So you need to select a photo and tap on the 3 dots icon, which will be on the bottom right. Once you tap on the 3 dots icon, you can tap on save video or save photo. You can tap on it. Tap on save video. In my case, it's video. You need to tap on save and just wait for a few seconds till it loads or till it saves. And once it has been saved, you can also just tap on it, go with the 3 dots, which will be on the bottom right. And you can just simply tap on unarchive. If you don't have the option, you can just simply save your video. Once you've saved, you'll have that video on your gallery. In this way, you'll be able to unarchive. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.